Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Keap for automations and deal stages, detailed guide step by step clearly. To install Keap for automations and deal stages, start by visiting the official Keap website. Click on the Get Started button, usually found at the top right corner of the page. Create a new account by filling out the required information, including your email address and a secure password. You may need to verify your email address, so check your inbox for a confirmation email from Keap. Once verified, log in to your new Keap account using the credentials you just created. After logging in, you will be prompted to set up your business profile. Fill in your business name, logo, and relevant details to create a personalized account. Next, navigate to the Settings menu, often represented by a gear icon. Look for the Automations tab in the Settings menu. Click on Automations to access the Automation Setup screen. Select Create an Automation to start creating a new automation process. You'll be prompted to choose a trigger for the automation. Choose a trigger that fits your business needs, such as new contact added or deal stage change. After selecting the trigger, click Continue to move to the next step. Now it's time to add actions that will occur when the trigger is activated. Click on Add Action and choose from options like sending an email or updating a deal. Input the necessary details for each action you wish to execute during the automation. After you have added all desired actions, review the automation setup for accuracy. When satisfied, click Save and turn on the automation by toggling the switch. To set up deal stages, head back to the main dashboard. Locate the Deals section, typically found on the left-hand sidebar. Click on Deal Stages to view your current stages. You can edit existing stages or add new ones by clicking on Add Stage. Define each deal stage name and the criteria for moving to the next stage. Once your deal stages are set, ensure all changes are saved. You can now assign deals to specific contacts and track their progress through your defined stages. Finally, test your automation by adding a new contact or moving a deal through the stages. This will help ensure everything works smoothly as intended. Now you're ready to leverage Keap for your business automations and deal management. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.